One of my favourite songs, it's about the only thing I can remember from my school days, a song called The West's Awake, or The West's Asleep. When all besides a vigil keep, the West's asleep, the West's asleep, alas and well, ne'er and weep, when Connacht lies in slumber deep. Their lakes and plains smile fair and free, mid rocks their guardian chivalry. Sing, oh, let man learn liberty from crashing winds and lashing sea. For often in O'Connor's van to triumph dashed each Connacht clan, and fleet as deer the Normans ran through Corsleaf Pass and Ardrahan, and later times saw deeds as brave for glory guards Clanrickard's grave. Sing, oh, they died their land to save, from Aughrim slopes to Shannon's waves. And if when all a vigil keep, the West's asleep, the West's asleep, alas and well, ne'er and weep, that Connacht lies in slumber deep.